problem is that we have continued the intensification and industrialization, a chemical agricultural model, beyond the limit of what nature can actually sustain. And now we are at the point where the same system that has actually developed so much benefits until now is beginning to undermine future food security. Soil erosion, the lack of soil erosion and soil degradation, the collapse of pollinators that are important to pollinate two-thirds of our crops, the whole impact on nature due to agriculture, including deforestation, that is exacerbating climate change, droughts, floods, the reclamation of wetlands that are not allowing rivers anymore to exondate and overflow and instead flood crops and lead to crops failure. I mean, all these things, pesticides, sorry, I can go on and on forever because, honestly, the agricultural system today is a system that makes no more sense in moving forward. Has made a lot of sense for the past, but today we are destroying the soil fertility. We are exacerbating climate change that in return impact agriculture and crops. We are poisoning food to keep animals from not eating the food and then we eat the food ourselves. I mean, it's completely a paradox. It's become a paradox. And we are supporting with 650 billion of public subsidies, so our money, our tax money.
If we're going to fight this climate crisis, we need to put the ocean at the center of the equation, and the stewards in those environments, coastal communities that are reaching in the 680 million people around the world, are really the pathway to change with regards to delivering ocean health. And they're at the same time on the front line. So they're the most threatened by the climate crisis. They're the most threatened by severe weather storms. They're the most threatened by degrading ecosystems. You've seen lately they've launched a report on the fact that coral reef systems are reaching a tipping point. That means we're warming our oceans way too fast, and coral reefs will decline and possibly disappear in the next 10 years. And it's those exact systems that provide us with a quarter of marine biodiversity out there, which also fulfills an important role for food security, health for coastal communities.